مساء الخير جميعاً. أول شيء بشرفنا نكون سوا اليوم هيك نتواصل معكم أكثر، ونحب نتشكر كمان نقابة المطاعم وبأستاذ توني الرامي. It's a pleasure to connect with so many restaurant owners and industry leaders here today. The theme of connect with people, connect with ideas, connect with opportunities perfectly captures the spirit of innovation and collaboration we promote. Every day, your kitchens generate a valuable resource, used cooking oil, or EUCO. Managing this waste has been a challenge, clogging drains and polluting our environment. But what if we told you this waste should not be wasted? It could become a powerful connection to a more sustainable future for Lebanon's hospitality sector. At Poil Group, we offer a simple yet impactful solution. We are a leading certified company in the responsible collection and management of EUCO directly from your premises. We don't just collect it, we contribute to its conversion into sustainable aviation fuel. Imagine your restaurant's used cooking oil helping power aircraft with a clean burning renewable energy source. By partnering with us, you don't just manage waste, you connect with ideas, embracing the circular economy and leading the way in sustainable innovation within our industry. This also allows you to connect with people. You build stronger ties with your community by contributing to a cleaner Lebanon, supporting local green jobs, and showing your commitment to the environment. We make the EUCO collection process seamless for you, and by connecting with us, you connect with opportunities. You get exclusive benefits for Syndicate members, targeted marketing support to highlight your commitment to green initiatives, and most importantly, you directly contribute to a greener, more resilient Lebanon. Your EUCO helps reduce the aviation industry's reliance on fossil fuels, creates local green jobs, and protects our environment. Let's work together to transform Lebanon's waste challenge into a green growth opportunity. You can please زورونا على الستاند تبعنا قدام شوي يلي بحب يعرف عنا أكتر. Thank you.